Hello students, I am Priyanka from Sandpoint Belgaum. So today, as per your request, I am making the video of paper analysis of 2019 JE. Okay, so AE I have already done. If you haven't seen that, check it in the playlist. Or else the one if you are preparing for JE or if you are eligible for JE, then I feel this analysis will be very useful for you. But again, as a disclaimer, what I want to say you is, do not have that notion in your mind कि only again the similar questions might repeat for this paper. There can be change also, but just I am giving some idea from where the questions have been appeared from the previous year paper. Okay, so when we analyzed AE and JE paper of 2019, the exam was conducted by KEA. So what difference, major difference we have found is the number of numericals were more in AE and less in JE. So the theory was given more stress in the JE paper. So now let's analyze the subjects one by one, and whatever 2019 syllabus PWD is there, the same syllabus you have got now. So this analysis will definitely help you. Okay, so now let's start with the first important subject for any government exam, especially for JE. It is building materials and construction. So let's start. This question, this subject was asked for 18 marks in the paper 1-8. Okay, so 2 questions were appeared from brick, timber 1 question, stone 5 questions, alloys, that is bronze, brass, all those from all those points 1 question, paint 3 questions, iron 1 question, glass 1 question, plaster 1 question, damp proof 1 question, pointing 1 question. So these are the questions which appeared from building materials. Now if you consider surveying, so 12 questions have been appeared from surveying paper, surveying subject. So the questions appeared from chain surveying, compass, contour, curve, leveling and theodolite. See, all these topics are very important, so questions will definitely appear. Now coming to concrete technology, the questions appeared on cement as well as concrete, that is the types of the cements, various tests on the cement, standards, IS code, all that and all. Next is tunnel. So 4 questions were appeared from the topic tunnel along with the construction and maintenance of that. Okay, and for SOM 13 questions were asked. 6 questions were asked from simple stress and strain, from SFD BMD 2 questions, bending and shear stress 2 questions, deflection 2 questions, column 1 question. Engineering mechanics. Okay, so total 4 questions appeared from engineering mechanics. From force system 3 questions, polar moment of inertia 1 question. Okay na? Now RCC 12 questions appeared from this RCC. In that 8 questions were appeared from beam, 1 question from column, 1 question from partial safety factor and of dead load and live load, then retaining wall 1 question, steel, grade of steel 1 question. Then from pre-stressed concrete 2 questions appeared. 1 was on curing of pre-stressed concrete and 1 question was appeared from strength of steel used in pre-stressed concrete. Now from the subject steel, 6 questions were appeared in total. In that 2 questions appeared from bolted and riveted connections, 2 questions from tension member and 2 questions from basics. Okay, and coming to construction technology and management, 4 questions were asked on dummy activity, CTM. Total 4 questions appeared from CTM. 1 question was asked from dummy activity, that is from network. So 1 from organization, 1 from labor law and 1 from construction equipments. Now coming to soil and foundation engineering, total 6 questions were asked. 3 questions from bearing capacity, 1 question on property of soil and 2 questions on foundations. And from highway engineering, 4 questions appeared, 2 from ruling gradient, that is highway geometric design, 1 question for soundness test, that is pavement materials, and 1 question from expansion joint, that is pavement design and construction. Okay, and from irrigation engineering 2 questions appeared, that is both the questions appeared from the topic dam. Okay, and 5 questions appeared from the estimation and all of them were on the quantity of the work calculation. like quantity of the iron work, then earth work, plastering, brick masonry. So this is how the technical analysis of the JE paper is. And one student, he has commented in the comment section for AE paper. So whatever I had told, he has made a very beautiful PDF and he has shared that. So that will be displayed here now. And if you want, you can make the similar PDF for you, which might help you for the preparation of the subjects accordingly. Okay, so this is about JE paper analysis, and as and when I get the time, definitely I will be making paper analysis for AE, JE 2019 general studies as well, so that you will come to know how many questions have been appeared from physics, chemistry, biology, history, geography and all. Okay, so if you are interested in joining the classes, you can contact the number mentioned here, or else whatever the subjects they are there, start preparing on your own. All the best.